lot of business leaders talking about how they want to help people, how they want to make a greater impact. And this is even pre-COVID, even before all this. You look at law firm owners and how many are talking about the fact that I want to help my clients. I am the best attorney in my market. I want to be able to help them. And simultaneously not doing the things necessary to grow as a business leader to make that greater impact. So it's saying, I want to help everybody, but I'm not going to get in front of the very people I want to help. So because I'm not marketing, because I'm not advertising, because I'm not growing my organization, I'm not growing my team, all those different things. And that to me seems like it's working in direct opposition with the very thing that you were saying. If you are truly the best help, meaning that you are the best lawyer, that you would provide the best outcomes, you would work hard for your clients, then perhaps it is your duty to market and advertise, and more importantly, to grow as a business leader, to develop your organization in a way where you can actually help more of the people that need your help. And you look at any market across America and you see the big advertisers in any market, pretty much, they're investing in the most marketing, they are the best known, and chances are they're getting all the cases, and they're getting the majority of cases. Number 1, 2, and 3 in a market, undoubtedly you're probably getting 75 to 80% of the cases in any given market, in any given practice area. Now, I see a lot of attorneys and firm owners that say, those aren't the best lawyers, they're volume-based, they're just big advertisers and so on. Okay, I respect that if you feel that way. But then, if they're not the best lawyers, then perhaps why not look inward and say, I may be the best lawyer, but I'm also the best kept secret. And you can't really hire the best kept secret. It's the same thing. I saw this happen in our own business with Crisp. When we started the company in 2012, we produced really good videos. Okay, great videos. And I would arguably say I was biased, and I am biased, but they were amazing story-driven videos, and they were the best law firm videos that existed. However, we weren't really growing. We weren't the largest video marketing company in the legal industry. We weren't the largest video company. And it's not because we were not the best. It was just because we were not the best known. And recognize this, the best known will always be best. You look at the major market leaders in any market, they are the best known. You may argue that they're not the best. Well, if you are, then perhaps you also need to focus on getting best known. And then you can be, you can be both. You can be both the best and also the best known. So looking at all this, and it's not just about marketing and advertising. A lot of it is just about being a great business leader. It's recognizing that you can't just be a great lawyer and a great trial attorney, because otherwise you won't make the greatest impact. You're not going to be able to reach the most people. So if you truly care about people and you say you want to make the greatest impact and you want to help those in need that would benefit from working with you and your firm, then it is quite frankly your duty to grow as a business leader, to understand how to grow your practice, to be able to invest and grow your team, to be able to impact your community at a higher level, to do all the things necessary so that you can be not just the best and the best kept secret, but also the best known. And not only do you owe that to the very clients that you want to help, but you also owe that to your team. You owe that to your family, and quite frankly, yourself as well. When you do good business, when you can grow your organization in the right way and provide competent legal services that support clients at a very high level, that's good for everyone. And there's nothing wrong with making money by doing great work and supporting those in your community. So just ensure that when we're talking about, okay, I want to make an impact, you also recognize that in order to do so, you have to go beyond just being a great lawyer and also focus on the areas where you need to grow and develop to build a great team, to be able to make a great impact. And chances are you may have to grow and develop as a leader. And to do that, you're going to need help and support. And I realized that the only way that we were going to grow our business, to get in front of and help more law firm owners differentiate themselves, tell their stories, be able to reach their ideal clients, is if they had heard of us, if they knew us, if they liked us, if they trusted us. So we couldn't just be a video company. We had to become a marketing company. And then recognizing that at the same time, we couldn't just be a marketing company either. We had to be a law firm growth company. Before we could help anybody else grow their business, we had to ensure that we were growing ours. And the very people that we exist to help and support, they cannot hire us if they do not know that we exist. And if you're watching this video, you're getting a sense that we exist, and I would encourage you to do the same. And it's recognizing that you must also look at the fundamentals of leadership, of team, of culture. These are all things, if you view them that they do not apply to you, they absolutely do if you run a business and if you run a law firm. So I encourage you to get started.